Apple's next big release, the iPhone 17 Air, has been at the center of discussions, with leaks and rumors sparking debates about its design and features. One of the biggest speculations was whether Apple ever planned to make it a completely portless device. However, a new leak from well-known tipster Ice Universe suggests otherwise. According to a newly surfaced CAD drawing of an early iPhone 17 Air design, Apple never intended to remove the charging port. This contradicts previous reports that the company was forced to include a port due to European regulations. Instead, the new evidence suggests that a fully wireless iPhone might not have been on Apple's roadmap at all. The leaked CAD image reveals that this early version of the iPhone 17 Air featured a charging port and had fewer speaker holes than expected. Another surprising detail is that Apple originally designed the phone with a 6.9-inch display but later decided to reduce it to 6.6 inches. This raises questions about whether earlier rumors of a portless iPhone were based on real information or simply speculation. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman had previously mentioned that Apple explored the idea of a wireless iPhone, but he never specifically said that the iPhone 17 Air would be the first to adopt that design. While many believe Apple will eventually release a fully wireless iPhone, it seems that moment isn't happening just yet. Even with these leaks, Apple is known for keeping its final design secret until launch day. So there's always a possibility that things could change. However, numerous reports have suggested bold design shifts for the iPhone 17 Air. One of the biggest changes being discussed is a possible pixel-style camera bar, which could add about 4mm to the top of the device. This design choice has sparked mixed reactions as it doesn't fully align with Apple's usual design language. The iPhone 17 series in general has appeared inconsistent in various leaks, making it difficult to pinpoint what the final product will truly look like. Another major shift in Apple's strategy is the expected discontinuation of the iPhone 17 Plus, which will reportedly be replaced by the iPhone 17 Air. Unlike the Plus models, which were simply larger versions of the base iPhones, the Air is rumored to be significantly thinner than any other model in the lineup. Some reports claim it could be as thin as 5.44mm, excluding the camera bump. If accurate, this would make it one of the slimmest smartphones ever created. While an ultra-thin design is visually appealing and lightweight, it does raise concerns about durability and battery capacity. To address potential battery concerns, Apple is rumored to be introducing a new high-density battery cell technology in the iPhone 17 Air. If successful, this could allow the device to maintain strong battery performance despite its slim form factor. Additionally, with a display size expected to be between 6.6 and 6.7 inches, the iPhone 17 Air is shaping up to be a solid option for those who want a premium device without the added bulk of the Pro models. Despite the numerous leaks and rumors, the iPhone 17 lineup remains somewhat of a mystery. Apple has a history of making last-minute changes, so even the most reliable leaks may not entirely reflect the final product. Whether or not the iPhone 17 Air will feature the rumored camera bar or other design modifications remains uncertain, but it is clear that Apple is taking a bold approach with its upcoming devices. So what do you think about the rumored iPhone 17 Air design? Do you like the idea of an ultra-thin phone, or do you think Apple should focus more on battery life and durability? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech news. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll see you in the next video.